Hello, Pilo Army. Nandito na po kami sa MOA, mga around 11 to 12 a.m. Isa po tayo sa mga hindi po pinalad na maka-attend sa Hope on Stage concert. We're inside the MOA and going to the music hall and attend the U Army Zone event. At ito ang ating OOTD for this event. At syempre, our previous for the Army. Go, dali! Oh, go! Go! Na, 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 na. Woo! Let's start! Oh, dali, dali! Thank you po! Thank you po! Thank you also. And alam nyo, gusto ko yung energy and give us an entertainment and a good vibes, lalo-lalo na sa mga ilang oras na nakapili dyan waiting for their turn to go inside the venue. This is the music hall where U Army Zone located. This is free entry, but you have to register on the SM app U Army Zone. It's a limited slot, mga nasa 4K lang. But don't worry, para sa mga walk-in, you can still register there. May mga pila para sa mga walk-in and then mga online registrant. Maghiwalay sila. May mga chairs there and a big screen where you can watch and listen to the BTS songs. You can also dance and sing along with the armies and the beautiful pancha every time they play the mic drop. And I got the goosebumps every time we sing along with the magic shot. It's better din na meron kang kasama. At least may magte-take over ng pwesto mo. Medyo nagulat nga ako kasi nandoon na siya. Dahil medyo malayo ang kanilang restroom at nasa second floor. Pati sa restroom may pila din. Kaya pagbaba ko, exactly, nandoon na mismo siya sa entrance. And they put a stamp on my wrist. And I'm so happy at least makakapasok na rin kami. After a long waiting, eto na, nasa loob na kami ng URB Zone. Hindi siya crowded. It's a very well organized talaga. It's a 2 thumbs up volunteer armies. May mga life-size standee si J-Hope dito where you can pose and take a picture with him. You can pose whatever you want. Ang importante, masaya ka sa ginagawa Just be yourself. Enjoy mo every second, every minute. Abutin ka man ng ilang oras dito. You can feel the happiness and the safetyness with the army. Thank you very much for the previous army. It's time to go home na. And pa-start na rin ng concerts. Better to iuwi na lang kasi iyak pa dito. Pero marami pa rin na mga Pilo Armies na nag-aantay dito sa labas. I don't know what they're doing here, pero I think mag-aantay po sila until matapos po ang concert. Ingat na lang po kayong lahat dyan hanggang sa pag-uwi. Say bye-bye to Hobie and good luck on your concert. Namumula po ang kapaligiran ng MOA. I hope makabalik ka with the group BTS. Thank you, Hobie.